Hi, we're on the bus. There's an earthquake. Shake your camera. Shake your camera. Oh my God, earthquake! Oh no! Oh no! This bus driver can't drive. Oh! Lol.
Hilda. Yes. Is this on YouTube? I'll comment on this. No, I'm trying to make a video.
Oh no! Oh no! The bus is breaking apart. You can't see it because we haven't animated it yet. It's going to be put in computer and digital.
Oh my God! What a feisty one. Excuse me? Feels like you take millions of photos. I don't do movies. She doesn't do movies.
But not movies.
Not these kinds of movies anyway.
Loving the camera.
Not these kinds of movies. I get it. My hair. Hello. Say something.
That's so long.
Reflection Day rules not. Say it again. Reflection Day rules not. How long does this thing go for? Oh my God.